Sure, here are 70 fascinating facts about clownfish. Family ties. Clownfish are a type of fish belonging to the family Pomacentridae. Species diversity. There are about 30 recognized species of clownfish. Habitat. Clownfish are commonly found in warm waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, particularly in the coral reefs. Size matters. Most species of clownfish are small, usually around 4 to 7 inches in length. Anemone relationship. Clownfish have a symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. They live among the tentacles without being harmed. Protective mucus. Clownfish produce a mucus on their skin that protects them from the stinging cells of sea anemones. Colorful appearance. Clownfish are known for their bright and vibrant colors, which serve as a form of protection and communication. Gender bending. Clownfish are protandrous hermaphrodites, meaning they are initially male and can change into females later in life. Hierarchy system. Clownfish live in hierarchical societies with a dominant breeding pair and non-breeding subordinates. Breeding pairs. In a group of clownfish, only the dominant pair reproduces, while the others help care for the eggs. Egg protection. Male clownfish are responsible for guarding and protecting the eggs until they hatch. Egg tending. Clownfish diligently tend to their eggs, keeping them clean and aerated by fanning them with their pectoral fins. Communal living. Clownfish live in small groups called schools, with a clear social structure. Communication. Clownfish communicate using various vocalizations, body movements, and even color changes. Omnivorous diet. Clownfish are omnivores, feeding on small invertebrates and algae. Symbiosis benefits. Clownfish gain protection from predators by living among the tentacles of sea anemones. Sea anemones gift. In return for shelter, clownfish provide sea anemones with food in the form of small prey and detritus. Migration ability. Some clownfish species are known to migrate between different sea anemones. Unique adaptations. Clownfish have specialized cells called iridophores that contribute to their iridescent appearance. Global distribution. Clownfish are found in coral reefs throughout the world, from the Great Barrier Reef to the Red Sea. Temperature sensitivity. Clownfish are sensitive to temperature changes, and global warming poses a threat to their habitats. Predator adaptation. The bright colors of clownfish serve as both a warning to potential predators and a means of camouflage among the anemones. Size variation. Different species of clownfish vary in size, with some being larger or smaller than the common clownfish. Mating rituals. Clownfish engage in elaborate mating rituals, including courtship dances and cleaning of potential nesting sites. Lifespan. In the wild, clownfish typically have a lifespan of 6 to 10 years. Aquarium popularity. Due to their striking appearance, clownfish are popular choices for marine aquariums. Changing colors. Clownfish can change colors, and this ability is influenced by their mood, health, and surroundings. Immunization. Living among sea anemones provides clownfish with immunity to the nematocysts, or stinging cells, of the anemones. Juvenile colors. Juvenile clownfish often have different coloration than adults, which changes as they mature. Commensalism. The relationship between clownfish and sea anemones is an example of commensalism, where one species benefits, and the other is neither helped nor harmed. Diet variety. Clownfish have a diverse diet that includes copepods, zooplankton, and algae. Energetic swimmers. Clownfish are energetic swimmers and can cover large distances in search of food. Social structure. The social structure of clownfish groups helps with foraging, defense, and reproduction. Parental care. Clownfish exhibit a high level of parental care, especially in guarding and protecting their eggs. Diversity in anemone partners. Different species of clownfish have specific preferences for the type of sea anemone they associate with. Predator threats. While sea anemones protect clownfish from some predators, they are still vulnerable to larger fish, birds, and certain invertebrates. Bleaching impact. Coral bleaching, often caused by climate change, poses a threat to both coral reefs and the habitats of clownfish. Commercial trade. Clownfish are often captured for the aquarium trade, and sustainable practices are crucial to prevent overharvesting. Captive breeding. Efforts in captive breeding of clownfish aim to reduce the pressure on wild populations. Omnipresent Nemo. The clownfish character, Nemo, from the animated film, Finding Nemo, has significantly increased the popularity of clownfish in the aquarium trade. Sound production. Clownfish are capable of producing sounds using their swim bladder, and these sounds play a role in communication. Hybridization. Hybridization between different species of clownfish can occur, leading to unique color patterns. Temperature-dependent sex determination. The sex of clownfish larvae is influenced by the temperature of the water during their development. Clownfish venom. Clownfish produce a mild venom in their skin, which can cause irritation in humans if touched. Mucus protection. The mucus layer on clownfish skin helps prevent parasites and infections. Adaptive behavior. Clownfish exhibit adaptive behavior, such as seeking refuge in anemones during disturbances or threats. Resilience to stinging tentacles. Clownfish have a thicker layer of mucus on the parts of their bodies that come into contact with sea anemone tentacles, providing extra protection. Burrowing behavior. Some species of clownfish exhibit burrowing behavior, creating nests in the sand. Temperature range. Clownfish thrive in temperatures ranging from 75 degrees Fahrenheit to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Aquaculture research. Clownfish are subjects of research in aquaculture to improve breeding techniques and reduce the impact on wild populations. Artificial anemones. In captivity, clownfish may associate with artificial structures that resemble sea anemones. Social bonding. Clownfish engage in social bonding behaviors, reinforcing their hierarchical structure. Eyes and vision. Clownfish have well-developed eyes and excellent vision, which is essential for navigating through coral reefs. Ocean acidification. Changes in ocean pH due to acidification can affect the ability of clownfish to detect predators and find food. Phototaxis. Clownfish exhibit phototaxis, a behavior where they move towards light sources. Larval dispersal. The dispersal of clownfish larvae can be influenced by ocean currents, impacting their settlement in new areas. Predation on eggs. Eggs of clownfish are vulnerable to predation by various marine organisms. Coordinated swimming. Clownfish engage in coordinated swimming patterns, enhancing their ability to navigate complex reef environments. Antimicrobial properties. The mucus on clownfish skin has antimicrobial properties, providing further protection against infections. Fisheries management. Sustainable fisheries management is crucial to maintain clownfish populations and their ecosystems. Behavioral studies. Clownfish are subjects of behavioral studies, shedding light on communication and social interactions in marine environments. Predator mimicry. Some species of juvenile clownfish mimic the appearance and behavior of other toxic fish to deter predators. Effects of overfishing. Overfishing of clownfish for the aquarium trade can have negative impacts on their populations and coral reef ecosystems. Marine protected areas. Establishing marine protected areas helps conserve clownfish habitats and biodiversity. Coral dependency. Clownfish are highly dependent on healthy coral reefs for shelter, food, and breeding sites. Invasive species threat. The introduction of invasive species can disrupt the delicate balance of clownfish habitats. Mucus as a signal. Clownfish use their mucus as a signaling mechanism to communicate with other individuals. Ecosystem engineers. Clownfish, through their interactions with sea anemones, contribute to the structure and health of coral reef ecosystems. Coral bleaching mitigation. Efforts to mitigate coral bleaching, such as reducing carbon emissions, are essential for clownfish conservation. Educational value. Studying clownfish provides insights into marine biology, symbiotic relationships, and the delicate balance of coral reef ecosystems. These facts highlight the complexity of clownfish biology, behavior, and their crucial role in maintaining the health of coral reef ecosystems.